Hey everyone, friends! On this channel, I'll show you how to turn off the black screen in Discord. So, the first method is to just restart Discord completely. To do this, I'll open it first. Next, just right-click and hit Exit, then try starting it again. If that doesn't work, you'll need to clear the cache. Type Start here and then type Run or Execute. Then type %appdata% / here, which I can't type on my keyboard because it's compact. Then type Discord and hit OK. Now we have the caches here. Here's the cache, the code cache. And we need GPU cache. Just delete these three folders by right-clicking and hitting delete. That's it. Next, you'll need to access Discord through a browser. From there, you need to go to Settings. Here, find Appearance. Scroll to the bottom and disable Graphics Acceleration. That's it. Then restart Discord. If that doesn't help, try reinstalling Discord completely by going to Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. Here type Discord, click the three dots and hit Uninstall. Then go to the website and install it. That's all from me. Bye everyone.